This is the Power BI Roadmap pack. You can see that there's 9 dashboards associated with this pack across the bottom here. We have the ability within this pack to focus on a specific roadmap. So we can choose the roadmap, or we can summarize multiple roadmaps. I can focus even within that roadmap to filter down and say I only want to look at a specific investment category. I can look at the investment type. In this case, this particular one has ideas and projects. So you really can filter down into the summary of the information to give you what you care about. For those people that like the dark theme, we have enabled all of the content to be available in light or dark. And so it'll change all the dashboards in the pack just by clicking the button, so you can look at it the way you want to see it as you go through. A similar information, if I don't want to group my roadmaps, where I just want to look at a specific roadmap, and then I can look through, in this case, and look at different scenarios and see what the information is associated with that scenario. I can look at the financial information. If I want to focus, in this case, on CapEx, I can do that, and it'll change out the view to give me only those things that are specific to CapEx versus OpEx. In this particular view, I also have the ability to drill into the investments. So this is going to list out the information from the actual investments, which could be different than the actual roadmap itself, but we felt like this information was valuable. If there is something here that you're not interested in, you can always take that out very simply. Scenario comparison. So what we like about this is that it's exception based. So we have the different scenarios that are out there, and it'll show you the changes. So the delta here is going to show you what's changed. So it doesn't show you everything, it just shows those components, so you can quickly find out, what are the components that have changed. And so over here on the left, we can see a summary by the different costs in this scenario. We have the Gantt view, allowing you to look at the legend in different areas. We have the role and capacity view. So you can look at specific roles in this case, but we can drill down to the individual people over time. And then we can change that view to see the demand side of this by the different investments, so we can get a view there. You do also have the slider at the top, so if you want to filter the date range that you want to make it more specific, you can do that as well. So hopefully this was a good overview, and look forward to you potentially using the roadmap dashboard pack.